Do boys and girls think and behave differently because of biology or because of how they're raised? Let's unravel the nature versus nurture debate on gender differences. In this video, you'll learn about biological influences, environmental influences, and how both shape gender differences over time. Nature refers to biological factors like genes, hormones, and brain structure that influence gender-related traits. On the other hand, nurture refers to the environmental and social influences, like family expectations, culture, and experiences. Biologically, sex is determined by X and Y chromosomes, and hormones guide development. So some differences appear at birth, while others emerge at puberty. These biological factors can contribute to gendered patterns in behavior. Studies find small average differences in overall brain volume, largely reflecting body size. But the distributions overlap heavily, and size doesn't predict ability. Meanwhile, hormones like testosterone and estrogen can affect activity levels, emotional expression, and even interests ranging from music to math. Research shows higher testosterone levels are linked to greater physical aggression on average. That's the nature side. Chromosomes set the blueprint. Hormones guide development, and average brain differences overlap a lot. Biology influences but doesn't decide everything. Want to check your progress? Tap the link for a quick practice test and a concise study guide tailored to this lesson. Quiz yourself, skim the highlights, and jump back in. With those biological foundations in mind, let's shift to the other half of the picture: nurture. From early on, children receive messages about gender roles, like which toys to play with or how to express emotions. Parents may unconsciously encourage sons toward sports and daughters toward nurturing roles, contributing to gender differences. Media also plays a role, portraying stereotyped roles and behaviors that children absorb through observation. Peer groups reinforce expectations too. Kids are rewarded or teased, depending on how they conform or deviate from gender norms. For example, studies show boys often perform better on average in spatial tasks, but that gap narrows with equal opportunities and training. Girls often score higher in early language and reading, but nurture through encouragement and practice plays a big role. In reality, nature and nurture interact. Genes create tendencies, and environments shape how those tendencies develop. Epigenetics shows how the environment can alter gene expression, meaning nurture can influence how nature works. Children often adapt when encouraged, girls in sports, boys in dance, showing flexibility beyond biological predispositions. Modern studies emphasize that differences are averages, not absolutes, and variation within genders is often greater than between them. Understanding both sides of this debate helps us promote equal opportunities and reduce unfair gender stereotypes. To recap, biology, environment, and their interaction all shape gender differences, and most traits exist on a spectrum. Ready to quiz yourself with the content covered in this video? Check out the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.